Not too bad though if you did have to go out and move your car this evening because Bill, we had a nice bit of sunshine and warmth today, relatively speaking.
Yeah, definitely warmer than average, but only by about a couple of degrees. But look at over the last 2 weeks. By the way, both Saturday and Sunday we topped out at 28 degrees. That is right on track for this time of year. But overall, over the last 2 weeks, lots of darker blue columns here indicating temperatures, those high temperatures there, second row from the bottom, well below average. Other than, say, Tuesday, January 18th, and last Thursday, January 27th, when temperatures were a bit above average. So it's been a cold stretch overall over the past 2 weeks or so, and this morning it was cold and it was frosty as well. Temperatures in the single digits above and even below zero in our traditional ice boxes of Sparta and Black River Falls, 7 above in La Crosse, 1 degree this morning in Eau Claire. Skies are mostly cloudy. Nice rebound from that 7 with a high today of 33 degrees. That is 5 degrees above average. And I talked about this over the weekend on my Facebook page, but check out the temperature from 3 years ago. Remember that? 33 degrees below zero. We had wind chills with that cold outbreak in the 40s, 50s, even some spots in the 60s. Below zero. So that was not fun. I remember that one real well. 31 degrees, feels like 21 with a south to southeast wind at about 10 to 20 miles per hour. That's going to be kind of the trade-off for these milder temperatures tonight. Rather breezy conditions as a frontal boundary is kind of lifting across the area. Even trying to squeeze out some precipitation north of La Crosse up towards Eau Claire. A lot of that not reaching the ground. Don't be shocked though if a few flurries do reach the ground in some spots. But this little clipper system will zip by well to our north. Maybe squeeze out some more flurries at times tomorrow, especially in our northern and northeastern communities. But boy, a mild day down over the Central Plains, where it is still 50 in Kearney, 54 in Dodge City, 53 for those unhappy Chief fans in Kansas City, 53 degrees there, 31 here in La Crosse. In fact, most of our area in the mid-20s to lower 30s, and they're not going to drop too much more this evening, thanks in part to the cloud cover and also the fact that the winds are coming at us from the south, but of course they are strong enough that they're causing wind chills in the teens and lower 20s. So Sky Tracker will show clouds at times tonight, probably go partly cloudy overnight though, and as that clipper zips by to the north, again, maybe a few flurries in spots, but most spots will be dry. Now, again, we were talking about that potential storm system for midweek. The latest forecast models continue to keep it to our south. In fact, even primarily south of Milwaukee and Chicago, but boy, where it does snow, it could snow for a couple of days, so they could see over a foot of snow in parts of maybe Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, maybe even far southern Michigan as well. But again, that will stay well to our south, so we won't have to worry about that one. So highs tomorrow, lower to middle 30s. Now, a lot of these numbers will be set in the morning with falling temperatures in the afternoon, maybe some upper 30s far south. 35 tomorrow in Warrens and Melrose, Black River Falls, Blair as well. And then up to the north, right around, say, 35 or 36 degrees for Eau Claire and the Chippewa Valley. So for tonight, not nearly as cold as this morning, 28 degrees with a mostly to partly cloudy sky. In fact, temperatures might even rise a few degrees towards morning to that morning high of 34 and then falling temps in the afternoon. Still rather breezy tomorrow, maybe a few flurries in spots. And then colder for Groundhog Day right through Saturday, highs in the teens, maybe even single digits. And then overnight lows dropping below zero, especially Wednesday and Thursday nights. Maybe some flurries on Friday, slight chance of light snow or flurries on Sunday, but no major snow producers in our area over the next 8 days.
All right. Thank you, Bill.
Okay.